Hello, this is Will Middleton from LifterLMS for the LifterLMS quiz system course. In this course, we're going to break down the LifterLMS quiz system, how you can create quizzes, and what you can do with it. So as you can see here, I'm in the course builder, and in the quiz builder more specifically, but how did I get here? So to start out, we'll want to go to the WP admin. Then we'll want to head to courses. Now we'll want to head to the LifterLMS course builder on one of our courses by clicking the builder below our course. And I'm going to click expand all sections. And in order to enter the quiz builder, I'll want to click add quiz on one of my lessons. So now you can see we're back to where we started. And in order to add a quiz, we can either add an existing quiz or create a new quiz. I'll create a new quiz. And we can see here we have a couple of settings. We have the general settings here, and mostly you can ignore this, but just know this is where you can type a description, passing percentage requirements, do things like limit attempts, randomized question order, time limits, and show correct answers. There are some of those options there. And I'm using the Astra theme, so we can see Astra has some settings for quizzes. We can, put in a sidebar or do custom layouts, or, disable the title, footer bar, or primary header, some other theme options there. But we'll just ignore those for now and show you how you can add questions to a quiz. Now you'll see this add question at the bottom, and I can just tap that and then click on whatever question I'd like to add in. So that's the basics of entering the LifterLMS quiz builder. In the next video, we'll break down the basic question types in the free LifterLMS plugin. I'll see you there. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.